Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Alright, so in this video I want to show you a setup I missed which would have given me some good profit on Crash 1000 index yesterday, and I missed that opportunity. So I want to show you how I missed it. I want to show you the setup that I missed and how you can also analyze the market so you can be getting this kind of setup, because these are the only things that will guarantee profitability. If you're able to analyze the market that way, then there's a very high chance of you being successful trading any tradable pair in the market. All right, so as you can see, I am on the weekly time frame. On my screen I am on the weekly time frame. This Crash 1000 index, and on the weekly time frame you can see that the market is actually approaching a very strong support zone. The market is approaching a very strong support area, and you should understand that, and on market getting to this particular level, we expect to see massive buys to the upside. We expect to see some reactions, and the market is expected to buy to the upside. The market is expected to buy to the upside, even not totally buying, but at least it should be some buying activities for some days, because actually the market is in a downtrend. You get. So the market is in a downtrend, as you can see right here. But for the fact that we have some higher lows, and let me show you what I'm trying to explain. So we have some lower highs and lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and this is a kind of, I won't call this a lower low yet, because it did not break this particular low here. So this is the recent low on the weekly time frame. This is the recent low on the weekly time frame, and the market is approaching this low. So even if the market is going to break through this particular, go below this low to form a lower low, there must be a reaction on market getting to this particular level here, this strong support level here. There must be a strong reaction, which will push the market up to a certain level before it goes down to break this particular weekly support zone. You understand? So that's how it works. So the first thing I would want to do is to mark out, as I have just done so. Then if I want to swing the trade, or if I you personally, you can also do this. Just mark this out and wait for it patiently. If you can wait for this patiently and get some good confirmations on a lower time frame, you'll make some massive money buying Crash 1000 without fear of spikes. All right, so you can also see that we have this structure right here that confirms the market is bearish, because it's giving us lower highs, and we have one lower low right here on this particular time frame, based on this structure, I'm marking right now. So you can see this. So we expect market to maybe break out of this particular trend from this structure that it is forming right now, then goes to the upside. We expect some massive buys to the upside, and before it breaks out of this particular this resistive trend line right here, then it is believed the market will get to this blue area, or this blue line which I mentioned initially, before it can get some momentum to break through this line and go up for a while, then comes back to break and go below, if at all the market still wants to continue bearish. But this is the weekly time frame. We don't need to get all that. We just need the market to do a little move, so maybe somewhere here, from here to here. It's massive money, guys. It's massive money if you are doing it on the 15-minute time frame. All right, so let's go to the daily time frame. Meanwhile, I think I need to mark out some key levels here on this time frame. I've already marked the key support level. Let me mark out another key level right here. This is a key level right here in this market. This is a key level right here in this market. This is a key level because we can see some buys and sales activities along this line. For those of you who are still struggling to know how to mark out key levels, just take note. You're looking at where the market bought and sold. The market bought from here, and the market also sold from this point. So this is a key level here in this market. This is a key level in the market. All right, so then I want to go to a lower time frame. I don't want to mark other key levels because I'm only concerned about the ones that are very close to the current price. All right, so I go to the daily time frame. Now on the daily time frame, I'm going to be considering things, key levels that are below this blue line here, key levels that are below this blue line here. So I can see a key level the way market sold and retested, like here. Market bought from here, and so let's change this color to a different color. Maybe I can use a black color this time around. So you can confirm with me that this level here market also bought and sold, which is right here. Let me just do a little zoom in. Okay, the market bought from here. Now market sold from here and sold again. So this is a key level on the daily time frame on crash 1000. And on this daily time frame, you can also see this structure right here, that the market is giving another structure right inside here. The market is giving another structure right inside here. One moment while I place this. I think I've placed it properly. So there's a line. Sorry, I want to duplicate this, then place it somewhere here, something like this, to show us the structure the market is forming. Now the market is descending, so there's a chance that if the market can break out of this trend line, if the market can break out of this particular trend line here, it will be and retest properly, it will be buying and approaching, getting to this particular trend line here. So until that happens, but for now, let's go to where we are concerned, because we are only trying to do kind of a top-down analysis to get to the lower time frame and get our entry. Yes, because based on our strategy, if you understand our strategy, you know what I'm doing right now. We are looking for structures and we want to see breakout and proper retest, then we enter the market to sell or buy. That's our strategy. Then I will now go to the 4 hourly time frame. Okay, so this is a 4 hourly time frame. This is a structure we marked. So this was actually a fake out. This particular one here, this here was actually a fake out. You see, market broke out, then still came back to sell massively to the downside, and still maintained this the movement within these lines here. So this was actually a fake out. All right, now so let's see if we can find some key levels on this 4 hourly time frame also, so we can mark out key levels that are close to the current price. I can't find a good one right now. I can't find a good one at this time. And take note, you must not always find those things you want on the market. Whatever you do not see when you want, forget about it. Do not force it to appear, because when you force it, you just be putting things that yeah, because you know all these lines we are drawing them because we want to use them to guide us. So if you are drawing any line at the wrong place, then it will mislead you. So if you can't find a good place to draw the line, do not draw it, else you will get misled. All right. So now, since I can't find a good place to draw a trend line, sorry, a mark at the key level on this 4 hourly time frame right here, close to the current price, I will have to go down to the 1 hourly time frame. Then on the 1 hourly time frame, let me zoom out. Okay, I can see where market bought and sold. Let me try to use the crosshair tool to mark out. Okay, market bought and sold around here. Market bought and sold around here. So market bought and sold around that point. Let me see. You can see there was a sales activity and buying activity at that point, because let me change this color quickly, and I can use different color. Okay, all right, so you can see market bought and sold along that line. That's why I've decided to mark it as a red line, as a key level. There was buy activities here, and market retested and sold down. So this is a key level here, actually on the daily, on the 1 hourly time frame. All right. So now let's go to the 15-minute time frame so that I will show you something. All right, you know the strategy I actually use is, I want to see the market going in a certain direction, and I want to see the market giving us a kind of a structure, you know. Then I also want to see the market getting to a certain level. Then I want to see it try to change direction, still maintaining a structure. Then on breaking out, then we need to follow it. It's even evident here on the daily, on this 1 hourly time frame. I can see what actually happened, which I would want to explain when we go to the lower time frame. You can see what we have here right here. It was a massive sales to the downside. You can see this movement right here. On market getting to this key level, right? You see it bought and bought, giving us a kind of a structure right here to the upside. And it got to where we have this trend line right here. And you can see on after this happened, the market pulled back, came back to retest where it sold previously, and you can see the massive sales to the downside. It has to go down massively because it wants to create a lower low, you see. But on the 15-minute time frame, let me show you what you're going to see on the 15 minutes time frame. This is what I actually saw. What is what how it happened on the 15 minutes time frame. So all I would have done if I didn't miss this opportunity would have been to mark out this trend line at this point, you know, then put another one somewhere here to show that this is a channel that is formed. You can see the market is forming a channel. Then, and you can also see that when the market broke out, when there was a breakout, let me push it in here. Okay, so you can see that after this breakout at this point, market broke out and tried to do a retest. If you know me very well, I do not really respect this kind of retest. So, but this one, the market came down very well, then came back to this level here. You can see where there was a very nice retest. This is where we had a very nice retest. And let me mark out that area. Let me mark out that area. Let me mark out that area with a rectangle. One moment. Okay, so as you can see, on market getting to this level where it sold previously, you can see my previous sales activity as this zone and buys activity. In fact, this is actually a 15-minute time frame key level. This is actually a 15-minute time frame key level because market bought and sold along this level. So on market getting back to this level, guys, you see the massive spikes to the downside, came back, retest, sold, came back, retest, sold. And so imagine uh let's say I entered this trade. Okay, let's say with the loss of 2.0, maybe I entered this trade right here, guys. Then I took profit, just maybe, let's say I was able to hold the trade up to this point. This is over $116, you know, over 116. Although I would know the market is actually targeting this particular low here, this particular low, this trend line here, you know. So meaning if I had seen this opportunity and even held the trade, I would have made over 250 US dollars with just this single trade. These are the kind of trade setups we look for, guys, in the market. We look for this kind of trade setups, and you will only be seeing this kind of opportunities if the market approaches a strong resistance or a strong support zone of a higher time frame. If you see that the market is buying in a certain direction as it approaches a strong key level, sorry, or a strong resistance or support zone, maybe trend line, especially trend lines, a strong supportive trend line, or a strong resistive trend line. When I say strong, it means it's that of a higher time frame, like maybe the 4 hourly time frame, excuse me, 4 hourly time frame, or maybe the 1 hourly time frame. And you see the market is approaching the particular time, even if it's the daily time frame, the trend line that the market is approaching. Look for a structure. Try to find out the structure it is forming as it is approaching there. You know, if it gives you a kind of a channel, just wait for a breakout. Don't even stress yourself. Wait for a breakout. And as it breaks out, do not rush to enter a trade. Although some people trade that once there's a breakout, they go into, and they want to see a breakout and close below, then they go into trade. That's not my style, guys. That's not my style. I like waiting for a retest, and if the retest doesn't happen, I will not die. Then I'll let it go. But if the retest happens, that's when I'm really short. I'm going to enter the trade with full confidence, and I will trade. I'll make my money easily and leave the market, guys. You know, that's how it works.
But if you want to be waiting for, let's say, you just enter the trade from the middle of nowhere without looking at all these things, you keep on blowing your accounts, blowing your accounts because you are just trying to trade without a good knowledge. You're just trying to trade without a good knowledge. So take note of these things. Take note of these key important, nuggets I'm giving you. Yes. I believe you've gotten some values from this video. This is how I analyze market. You don't need to stress yourself. Just mark out key levels. Wait for market to get to strong zones. Check the structure that's formed there, and mark it out. Wait for a breakout and proper retest. Good confirmation. You enter the market and you sell with peace of mind, or you buy with peace of mind. Like I'm telling you about this crash 1000. Once it gets to a strong zone like the one I showed you on the daily time frame, like what we have here on the daily time frame, guys, you will have this blue line here, then it will be massive buys to the upside. Sorry, it was on the weekly time frame I saw it. This blue line right here at the bottom, once the market gets to this zone and gives me a good for confirmation, there's when I notice a breakout and proper retest, it will be very nice sweet buys to the upside, and I expect to make some good money, with that particular trade setup that I'll be getting from there. So guys, just like this video and share it. Share this video. Comment. Let me see. Just post your thoughts in the comment section, guys. As you like this video, you are encouraging me to do more good videos like this for you to benefit from. And as you like it, you are telling YouTube this is a good video, so they will also share it to other people that are looking for this kind of information, guys. you know it gives me this sense of appreciation that people value it, and I will keep on doing this, please. So like this video, share it, and comment as usual. If you are not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, and keep on staying tuned for more videos. Meanwhile, there is a link in the description of this video which I will explain, which you can click to get to my Telegram channel. Once you get to that channel, that is where I post some updates and some high probability trade setups. So once you get to that channel, you also find a direct contact to reach me. You also find a direct contact to reach me still on Telegram if you are interested in my mentorship, guys. So if you are interested in my one-on-one mentorship, click on the link in the description of this video. Then get to the Telegram channel, get my direct contact, and reach me so that I will put you on, I will help you. I'll teach you, and you will succeed if you put in the good work, guys. If you put in the work which I'm going to reveal to you, which I'm going to introduce to you, whatever I'm going to show to you, and you follow it up, guys, I promise you, you'll be successful trading. But if you did pay the money for the mentorship training and yet you're not doing anything, you're not working hard also, you're not practicing what I'm showing you, guys, I'm telling you, you will still lose your money, and even after we are done with the mentorship program, you will still keep on blowing your accounts. I see people, when they fund the accounts with maybe their little $20 or $30, they want to flip it. They want to flip because they've seen other people flipping the account. You want to flip an account without a strategy. Even the ones you are practicing, you've not yet mastered, and you are trying to flip an account, guys, you end up blowing the account. Now you need to know what, even those you see that are flipping accounts all over here on this YouTube, they have a strategy that works for them. And when they want to flip account, they flip accounts which they are ready to lose. Because if you want to flip account, it means you are going in full margin. You see somebody using $20 to flip to $500. Check the lot size he's using. Check how he's doing it. you know it's not with that small $20 you have on your account. So if you have a $20 on your account, just learn to grow it very small, and before you do that, ensure you have a strategy which you have mastered, which you are sure works for you. Then you can use that strategy to grow that account bit by bit, and not the mindset of flipping it, else you will blow that account, guys. All right, those are the kind of things you'll get advised in my mentorship training, because I will try to ensure I instill you with the knowledge you need. I instill you with the knowledge you need to succeed in trading, guys. All right, so, and also I have a 1 to 2 weeks mentorship training that is coming up from next week. The link, when you get to the Telegram channel, you see the information there. It's just $20. With that $20, you get I'll try to make sure you grab everything as much as you can. I'll try my best. Mind you, it's not for beginners, it's only for those that have a fair knowledge about trading. Then I will try to show you things that you will do that's going to work for you guys. You'll be successful trading if you follow my footsteps, if you follow my instructions. So go to the Telegram channel, go and take action now. It's for just $20. Come and harvest an information. Come and harvest information that is worth more than $1,000. You understand? So do not waste time at all. Go to that Telegram, follow the payment details, and make your take action as soon as you can. Meanwhile, till my next video, guys, stay blessed.